Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was recently contacted by the company Firmoo.com, and they are an optical store that is online where you can choose from all these different frames and all of these beautiful glasses that are like non-prescription, prescription glasses, and also some that are just for style. And I had the opportunity of choosing one free pair of shades, and they wanted me to try it out. Let you guys know how my experience was with online shopping at Firmoo.com. So I want to show you guys the glasses that I received. They came in this cute little plaid little bag here, and my glasses came inside of this clear case. And let me show you what the glasses look like. But first, I want to show you what also came in here is glass cleaner. And during the time that I received mine, it was during the holiday season in October. So I was able to receive this Halloween glass cleaner. Now the glasses that I chose are so cute. I think it's really pretty how it looks like there's little ears there on the end, and they are gorgeous. Of course, they are black and they are trimmed in gold. And you can get a better look here on the side. It's gold and then black at the ends. So this was the one that I chose, and it was so hard to decide on the one that I wanted because they had so many different beautiful types of frames. But the thing that made it so easy was that I was able to try these glasses on virtually. Now, with the glasses here, they do not have a name. However, they do have a frame number, and I will give you all like the size and everything that was for me. Everything, you will find it down below in my description box. So let me go ahead and show you guys what they look like on. What I love about the optical store is that everything is super affordable. There's everything that's ranging from pretty much to about $17 to about $39 for your frames. And that is so affordable. For those of you that have like prescription glasses, you guys know that it is so expensive out there trying to find the right glasses for you. So this, in my opinion, is one of the best sites that you guys can check out. And guys, I have a 50% off coupon that is just for you guys, so that you'll have an opportunity to check out these glasses as well. The code is D4A2B. Just remember that this is for 50% off of the frames only. So guys, now that you have all of this information here, go on over to Firmoo.com, check out their website, and see if you can find the right glasses or the shades for you, and let me know what you got. So I'll talk to you soon, guys. Bye.
Drop.